Welcome back, car lovers. Today we are exploring the Fisker Pear, an innovative electric SUV that is making waves in the EV market. With its sleek design, eco-friendly materials, and impressive technology, the Pear aims to provide a sustainable yet stylish driving experience. But what exactly makes this electric SUV stand out? And should it be on your radar? Let's dive into the details. Fisker Incorporation has quickly become a name to watch in the electric vehicle space, thanks to its focus on sustainability and cutting-edge technology. Founded by automotive visionary Henrik Fisker, the brand has set out to create electric vehicles that not only perform well, but also make a positive impact on the environment. The Fisker Pear is the brand's newest addition, designed as a compact and versatile SUV that caters to the needs of urban drivers while maintaining an eco-friendly ethos. Fisker's journey began in 2007 with the launch of the Fisker Karma, a luxury plug-in hybrid that garnered significant attention for its design and performance. After a brief hiatus, the company has re-emerged with a commitment to producing fully electric vehicles. The Fisker Pear represents a new chapter for the brand, focusing on affordability and sustainability without sacrificing style or functionality. With a vision to make EVs accessible to broader audience, Fisker aims to reshape the electric vehicle landscape. Now let's talk design. The Fisker Pear features a distinctive exterior that blends modern aesthetics with practicality. Its compact size makes it perfect for city driving, while the bold lines and unique front fascia give it an eye-catching presence on the road. Inside, the Pear offers a spacious and flexible cabin equipped with sustainable materials that are both stylish and eco-friendly. The minimalist dashboard includes a large touchscreen display that integrates the latest infotainment technology, providing easy access to navigation, media, and vehicle control. One of the standout features of the Pear is its innovative storage solutions, including a multi-functional rear seat that can be configured to suit your needs. Whether you are hauling groceries or heading out on a weekend adventure, the Pear has you covered with practical storage options. Performance is where the Fisker Pear shines. The SUV is expected to be available with multiple powertrain options, including a single motor for front-wheel drive and an all-wheel drive variant for those seeking enhanced performance. The base model will deliver around 300 horsepower, providing a spirited driving experience while ensuring efficiency. In terms of range, the Pear is anticipated to offer approximately 400 km on a full charge, making it ideal for both daily commutes and long road trips. With fast charging capability, you can recharge at public charging stations, minimizing downtime and maximizing convenience for your busy lifestyle. Now let's get into pricing. The Fisker Pear is expected to start at around $30,000, making it one of the most affordable electric SUVs on the market. With its competitive pricing, the Pear aims to attract budget-conscious buyers who want to make the switch to electric without breaking the bank. Additionally, potential buyers may qualify for government incentives aimed at promoting electric vehicle adoption, which could further reduce the cost. Considering its blend of style, practicality, and tech features, the Pear offers excellent value for those looking to embrace an electric lifestyle. So is the Fisker Pear the electric SUV you've been waiting for? With its stylish design, impressive performance, and affordability, it certainly checks all the boxes for a modern electric vehicle. Whether you are a long-time EV enthusiast or a new to the electric driving experience, the Pear is poised to deliver a compelling option in the growing electric SUV market. What do you think about the Fisker Pear? Let me know in the comments below, and for more such amazing videos,